Well, we're listing three of these replacement or spare saucers made by Royal Doulton. They are Larchmont TC1019 pattern, and they are intended for use with the soup cups, the double-handled soup cups. These are 1/8 and an inch larger than the teacup saucers, which are 6 inches. These are 6 1/8 inch, and the saucer well, or the cup well in the centre, is 2 inch from the outer diameter, so they will hold the soup cups far better than they will the teacups, but they could be used for that at a push. There's the Royal Doulton line and crown mark, English translucent china printed on these. I'm not sure whether that gives us any clues on a specific date of production. I don't always see the English translucent china there, but Larchmont TC1019, copyright Doulton. And there's three of them. They're in very fine condition. The glaze, absolutely good. The gilt decoration around the rims, absolutely fine. So in really nice condition. If you've broken your saucers and you haven't got a full set of soup cups and saucers, we've got three of these which we're selling individually on the Vintage and Antiques website for the replacement or collector's market. Thanks for watching.